Hello everyone, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio. In this lesson, we will explore two methods of seamlessly changing the yarn color when crocheting. The first method, I created a chain of air stitches and 2 rows of single crochet stitches. We have all learned this and can crochet, for those who do not know. The links to the lessons will be under the video. Let's say I need to crochet the next row with a different color, using yarn of a different color. What will I do? I am at the end of this previous row. I will not finish the last stitch. That is, when I insert the hook into the last stitch, I pull up my working yarn. And to make a single crochet, I still need to grab the yarn and pull through both loops. I will not do that. That is, I simply pulled up the yarn as if I did not finish my single crochet. If instead of a single crochet, there is a double crochet, we do the same thing. We just leave one loop unfinished. Thus, our last action, where we grab the working yarn and pull it through the 2 remaining loops on the hook. So, I think that's clear. We do not finish our last stitch. Now I take the yarn of another color, in my case this light blue yarn. I grab it and pull it through the 2 loops on the hook. That is, I finish my last stitch with the new yarn. We finished and pulled the yarn tight. After that, we move on to the next row. We make a chain stitch to rise and turn the work. In the next row, we will crochet with the new yarn, with the new color. I will finish the row, so that we can see the transition, how it looks. So, I have crocheted 1 row with the new yarn. This is how it looks from the front side. That is, later I will simply tie these 2 yarn ends together and hide the ends under the stitches. Like this on the back side. Now, I will crochet to the middle of the row with the blue yarn, and we will also try to change the yarn in the middle of the row. Now let's say from this stitch. Not from the next one, but from the second stitch I want to switch to white yarn. I insert the hook into the previous stitch with the old yarn. Pull out the working yarn, and do not finish the stitch, that is, just as we did at the end of the row. This means that we do not finish the previous stitch but take the new yarn. I will take the white yarn, and finish this stitch with the new color of yarn. We pull all the ends. Take the new color of yarn, keep the ends on the wrong side, and start calmly with the first stitch without a yarn over in the new color. I will finish it to the end and pull the yarns here so it's clearly visible how it looks. This is what the transition looks like from the front side. Very neat. From the wrong side, the 2 yarns look like this. I usually tie them in 2 knots and hide the ends under the stitches. To prevent it from coming apart, we need to secure these yarns here. This way, let's try to change the yarn color when crocheting an oval or circle. In my case, I crocheted an oval. It could also be a circle. It doesn't matter what we're doing. Let's say this is the next row. I would like to crochet with the light blue yarn now. I am in the slip stitch that I need to do now. I am doing it, picking up not the main white yarn. Instead, I take the light blue yarn and make a slip stitch. That's it, we pull the yarns tight. From the wrong side we leave next. In my case, I make 2 chain stitches. With the light blue yarn, I calmly crochet the next row. With a new color of yarn, so we do a slip stitch, picking up the new yarn. It's all simple here. I will finish the row to the end. This is what the transition looks like on the front side, right here. And this is what it looks like on the wrong side. Here, I tied the two ends of the yarn in a knot. That is, almost unnoticeably. Thus, when crocheting in rows, we finish the last stitch with the new color of yarn. And with circular crocheting, we also do the slip stitch when joining the row with the new color of yarn if we want to. To have the next row in a different color, however, if we want the next stitch to be a different color, we do not finish the previous stitch either. Instead, we take the new yarn and introduce it already. We finish the previous column with a new color of thread. And here, the column that we need to knit with a different color of thread, we now calmly knit with this color. Now let's look at the second method. I have crocheted a circle, and now I will complete the last stitch with this same color. We pull this stitch on the hook, we take out the hook. And with the thumb of my left hand, I hold this untightened stitch. After this, we count from left to right. We insert into the second column that we have knitted, we put in the hook. We do not count this slip stitch as a column, here is the first. We insert the hook into the second. After that, we grab it. The new color of my thread is white. We pull the tail into this stitch and leave it, we take the main thread. We yarn over and knit one chain stitch. After this, we insert the hook into the next column that we skipped and grab the white thread. We pull it onto the hook. 2 stitches of the new color. And now we grab it. We have grabbed this stitch of the old color onto the hook. And now we grab the working thread of the new color. We pull it immediately through the 3 stitches on the hook. This is how we tighten all the threads. After this, we begin to crochet regular columns without yarn over. I will crochet this row to the end. And let's see how our transition looks. Well, here I have connected the row. You can see that practically nothing is noticeable. This is on the front side, on the reverse side. It is also basically fine. That's all for now. Choose the method that is comfortable for you, and knit with pleasure. If I have been helpful to you, please give a like, subscribe, and see you in the next class. Bye bye.